Welcome back to Model World. We're now producing a series of 3 videos on the making of The Thing. In part 1 you saw the start of the build, something to keep me occupied during lockdown. But then as it proceeded I began to realise I had to finish it. And so we get into a stage now where all the bits are in place, the radio has to be connected up and everything has to work. So let's get underway with part 2 of The Thing. Those of you that have watched the last episode will realise by now that the thing has a purpose. And the purpose is, it is to be a launch craft for a rocket. So as well as the craft having the ordinary running gear, such as motor and propeller, prop shaft, rudder, it also has to be able to open the hatches, raise the rocket into a firing position, sound a warning alarm, and activate the firing mechanism and launch the rocket. Now the keen-eyed ones amongst you will notice that the woodwork is in a pretty poor condition. In fact, it's not as good as it was when you saw the first pictures when I started. But you have to remember, this has taken over months of alterations, changing my mind, pulling bits out, cutting bits off again, adding bits. So what you see is a project that's built before your eyes. But then as this is going to launch pyrotechnics and the whole thing could burst into flames, hence all the silver foil, the main thing in my mind is that it works and it will be safe. Well, that is all for part 2. In part 3 it should be in the test tank and balanced. It should be test fired and hopefully it will be a successful launch. Hope to see you all in part 3. Bye.